Hey, so let's just recap diagonal lines and inequalities. So the first type that we dealt with, if I add two numbers that add up to 4, well, the easiest ones to think about is if one of them is 0. So if y was 0, then 4 plus 0 works. So 4 plus 0 and 0 plus 4 works. 0 plus 4 works. If you want to think of other ones like 1 and 3, 2 and 2, but as soon as you have two of them, then there's your line. So that's that one. If we want to look at an inequality, well, x plus y is greater than 4, so it's that same diagonal line that goes through for the intercept. But because it's greater than and not equal to, we use a dotted line, right? And then if I want them to be bigger than 4, well, for example, like 3 plus 3, 6, that's bigger than 4. So I want to shade everything that's there. Okay? Let's look at subtracting, a little bit more tricky. But first, if I want numbers that subtract to -3, well, 0 take away 3 is -3. That's an easy one to think about. So x is 0, y is 3. So 0 take away 3. And then if y was 0, then x would have to be -3, because -3 take away 0 is -3. So x would have to be -3. So it's right there. So that's how subtraction works. Okay? And then if you want to do an inequality with subtraction, x minus y is less than or equal to. So because it's less than or equal to this time, now we want to use a solid line to start, not dotted, solid. And we want to say x minus y subtract to less than 3. Well, for example, the easiest test point to pick is 0, 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 is less than 3. So that means that I want to shade in everything that includes 0, 0, not the other part. Okay? That's that.